The Start menu has been redesigned in Windows 11. To show the Start menu, click the Start button in the taskbar. Alternatively, press the Windows key on your keyboard. At the top of the Start menu is a search box that lets you search for apps, settings, and documents. To search, click into the search box and begin typing. As you type, matching results appear, and you can click a result to open it. Below the search box is the Pinned section, which shows apps that you have pinned for easy access. To open a pinned app, click its icon. To remove an app from this section, right-click its icon and select the Unpin from Start command from the menu that appears. You can also rearrange pinned apps by clicking and dragging an app icon to a new location within the Pinned section. Below the Pinned section is the Recommended section, which shows recently opened files and other suggested items. To open an item in this section, click its icon. To remove an item from the list, right-click its icon and select the Remove from List command. To view additional recommended items, click the Show All button at the right side of the section. To return to the main Start menu view afterward, click the Back button. The apps installed on the device appear next in the Start menu. To open an app, click its icon. You can scroll through the list to view additional apps and right-click an app to show additional commands, such as the Pin to Start command, which adds the selected app to the Pinned section of the Start menu. The appearance of the apps list can be changed by using the View button at the right side of the apps list. Click the View button and then select either the Category, Grid, or List view. The Category view groups apps into categories based on their function. The Grid view displays apps as larger icons arranged alphabetically within the list. The List view displays apps in a traditional alphabetical list with one app shown per row. You can switch between these views at any time to change how installed apps are displayed in the Start menu. At the bottom of the Start menu is an area that displays your user account name and picture at the left side, and the Power button at the right side. To display account options, click your account name. A menu then appears that lets you manage your account, sign out, or switch users. To switch to another user account, click the triple dot icon in the menu's upper right corner, and then select the desired account from the list. To access power options for the computer, click the Power button. A menu then appears that contains the Lock, Sleep, Shutdown, and Restart commands. To perform any of these actions, click the desired command in the menu. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.